welcome back to my vlog. So I need to do my hair. It's like 8:25 a.m. in the morning. My Pilates class starts at 9:15, so I'm trying to be as quick as I can. Today I've got my flares on. This should be interesting. I've never done early classes. I always do 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. But maybe it's probably because I went to yoga at 12:30 yesterday. So maybe I'm feeling like a bit of a challenge. I think I'm gonna start doing maybe like a weekly vlog thing. I'm not sure because like I might film other videos like get readies with me and stuff. I'm actually gonna do a bun, which I probably shouldn't do because I don't know if is my headband even in here? No. It's actually 8:30, but it doesn't take me more than 2 minutes to get to the train station. Okay, it's time to go. Okay, I just finished. Today was intense. I sprayed my armpits because I was sweating. I used the vanilla latte and I'm giving this one. Headphones. Got to do my work. I got to edit for people today. Got a busy day. Great. Guys, I think I'm gonna get this for like my, healthy era, and then I think I might get one of those. So I'm gonna get the cold pressed pineapple, coconut, water, lime and aloe vera, and my sister is getting the cold pressed with guava, white grape, coconut, passion fruit, and what is that word? I don't know. I'm getting this one, and my nephew's getting this one. Okay, so I've just got back in. I had Pilates this morning, so my hair looks like this. And I'm home. I'm gonna go back to my boyfriend's in a few. I'm just gonna show you what I've got. I bought this laundry collection thing to like put like laundry pods, or I might just put like my cleaning stuff in there. And I also got these. I saw this in Tesco's. It's a Plenish Berry Gut Health. You take 7 shots. I think you take those a day, or I'm not sure if you can take them throughout the day. We're gonna try it on camera. It says to get started, shake well, so I'm gonna shake this well. I also got the yellow one, but these don't put it in the fridge. I'm just gonna take it out the fridge before I leave. So it actually tells you on the sides where to drink up to. So this will be my first shot. Guys, that smell, it smells like vinegar. It like really smells like vinegar. This does not smell like pomegranate, but it's good for your gut. And Pilates is all about core strength. So let's get in healthy core. Oh my gosh, this is still not a shot. This is what a shot looks like, because as you can see, I've already, when it stops moving, I've already done the first shot. Well, poured out the first shot. I'm really scared. Let's just do it. Just do it. It stinks. If it smelled nice, I probably wouldn't have cared, but it stinks. Hello. I have to take it like I'm taking a shot, right? Okay. No, I can't. That's not a shot. I promise you that's not what a shot is. That was disgusting. That was gross. But when you're drinking it, you can't really taste it until like you're slowing down. Anyways, it's good for me, so I'll continue to use it. I guess things that are good for you are not actually meant to taste nice, are they? I guess that's the point. Okay, this is what I was trying to show you guys. But oh my gosh, you can actually see me with the camera. But I got this for my boyfriend's bathroom. Is this really weird? I really like to when I'm brushing my teeth, I need to be in front of a mirror. Is that weird? I don't know. I just like seeing myself brush my teeth. Not because I'm vain and I want to look at myself, because it's not me that I'm looking at, it's my teeth that I'm looking at. But yeah, that's everything that I got today. Oh no, wait, no, it's not. I know it's like so early for Christmas season, but I got these bows to go on my pink Christmas tree because it's going to be her third Christmas. It's going to be my Christmas tree's third Christmas. She's just hidden away right now. She's not coming out until the 1st of December. But I thought, let me get these because it's probably going to be gone by next month, to be honest. I did this with the autumn stuff. I said, yeah, I'm going to get it next month. Next month came. There was no more good stuff left. So I just got this because I really want it. I already have like Christmas decor that I always put on every year, literally my pink decor or decor, whatever you want to call it. The only thing I'm going to get closer to the time, obviously, is the pink or the red candy canes when they come. But they're not here yet, and I don't expect them to. That is everything. So I will see you guys later or whenever I next pick up the camera. We're going to get copyrighted, so I'm going to just hurry up and talk. George is in the toilet. I'm getting ready. So, gym ready. I'm just going to put my bag down. And then we're going to get started. Aren't we, Georgia? Yeah. So we just left the gym. I actually didn't film anything in there. I don't really like filming content when I'm like doing my fitness stuff, but if I do, I do. My arm up aching. We did arm day. And Georgia's gone back home. Obviously, Georgia literally lives like 1 minute around the corner from my house, but obviously I'm staying at my boyfriend's, so I'm going the opposite direction, which, yeah. Okay, so I'm at Lidl's. I've got this because I left my stuff at home. I've got mini wraps, some tender, some broccoli, chicken to put in the air fryer. This is my basket at the moment. That's the chicken. So I'm actually going off to get a pedicure and a manicure. Yeah, gym tied my arms out yesterday. Pilates is tied up my core and my legs. So today is more like a rewind, relax. Nice and soft. Okay, so I thought I'd just do like a quick hygiene shopping. Thinking about getting wax strips. Gonna get 2 of those tweezers. Gonna buy this for the bathroom. This is probably the correct one. And a pink detangling brush. I don't know what else I'm gonna pick up. Don't know. Okay, so this is everything I've got. I put down a few things because I don't need some of them. Okay, so it's actually like 6:51. My class starts at 7. Dad drops me, but I'm too cold and comfy. But I'm gonna change when I get in there. I've never shown you guys the way, but today I am. Nice and comfy, and then I'm gonna, all of a sudden, gonna look pink out of nowhere. Quickly, guys. Done. Hey guys. So it's Thursday. I'm actually at my Pilates class with my teacher, just getting the class started, and I'm filming some content. All done. My stuff is in this locker. How cute. Okay, so even though my dad dropped me because I was at home, well, now I'm walking to the train station, which is like 5 minutes away. I'm just walking to the train station because I'm actually going back to my boyfriend's. So I always bring this pink bag with me everywhere at this point. I kind of forgot about my mini handbags. Great session, I feel great. I just couldn't be asked to take off my gym set, so it's actually underneath because it's actually freezing cold. I'm not gonna lie, freezing cold. So, oh, I thought that was a spider. So yeah, I've got quite a bit of editing to do today. I've got Chrissy's YouTube video to edit, and then I've got a client who wants me to edit a menu for them, and then I'm gonna edit my instructor's video. I love supporting and inspiring others. It's my favorite thing to do, and it's just nice to see other people happy at like how good their work is. Like sometimes you have to push people to, not even push, sometimes you have to inspire people for them to realize how amazing their work really is. I just love it when people are happy and proud of themselves about the things that they're doing. I just love motivating. And now someone's probably looking at me like I'm